Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how you can hide pictures in gallery on OnePlus 13R. So firstly go into the gallery. Now tap on the picture that you would like to hide. Tap on the three dots so in the bottom right corner and tap on set as private. Okay. Now you have to set up a privacy password, so tap on set password and I will choose a pattern, but you can obviously choose a pin or whatever you want. Now you have to set up a security question. Here are some questions and then you have to type in the answer to it, and in case if you forget your password, you will be asked to answer this question. So now just tap on confirm. And as you can see, the image hasn't been moved yet, so let's try this again. Set as private. Okay. And now to access the hidden folder, all you have to do is either go into albums and go into private, or just hold on the bottom navigation bar and it's going to automatically direct you into the privacy folder. Now you have to just type in your privacy password that you have just set up, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.